What's up everybody, Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have this 2024 Raptor R in for some major upgrades. Well, to start off for this Raptor R, we are going to be doing a SVC front bumper and SVC rear bumper. Moving on to wheels, the customer has decided to go with some Innovate simulated beadlock wheels. I think it was a great choice. The finish, the combo that he went with, absolutely killer. The wheel is going to be in a satin black finish, and the beadlock ring is going to be in the same gold that all the Kibbetech parts and the Innovate Racing bed supports in. Next up, we have McNeil fenders in a +4. This thing is going to be big. Following the fiberglass, we have some Kibbetech upper control arms, lower control arms, sway bar links, and rear links. Well guys, I think that is enough talking. Let's get this Raptor R into the shop. Let's get working, and I'll see you guys when we're done. guys, we are back with this Raptor R, and man, does this thing look absolutely spectacular. I told you guys the transformation for this thing was going to be out of this world, and I could not be happier with this build, and I know the customer is going to be absolutely stoked. But I want to give you guys a full rundown of what we did to this Raptor R, and to start, we did a SVC front bumper and a SVC rear bumper. Now we have 4 Baja design lights on this SVC front bumper, 2 amber and 2 clear. Now in my opinion, this setup looks absolutely killer, and I'll tell you one thing, it will completely light up the trail that you will be on. Now continuing on with lighting, we have Baja Designs LP4s in amber sitting on some SDHQ A-pillar mounts. These things, you need them. If you are off-roading, get some LP4s in the amber. And the amber is always necessary for all those dusty trails that you're going to be hitting if it's super dry out, because the white ones will not do the job and completely smoke it out. So make sure to get those amber ones. Let's move on to talking about the new shoes on this bad boy. Well, we went with some Innovate simulated beadlock wheels. The wheel itself, we have it in a satin black with a simulated beadlock ring in a Kibbetech gold. And you guys will soon find out exactly why we have it in Kibbetech gold. Now for these Innovate wheels, we have decided a 37-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tire is exactly what the customer needs. Now as you can see, this Raptor R is a little bit thicker than the ones from the factory, and the reason being is because we have +4 fenders, front and rear, from McNeil, and man, in my opinion, this thing has turned into an absolute monster with these things on it. But let's continue on with the rest of the mods that are on this R. In the rear of the bed, we have Innovate bed supports in the Kibbetech Gold, along with KHC's flat tire carrier. Continuing on with KHC products, we also installed our KHC high clearance tailpipe kit. Now on to the juicy Kibbetech stuff that I was talking to you guys before about. We have Kibbetech's upper control arm, rear trailing arm kit, and track bar, all in the Kibbetech Gold that they offer. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the journey that this Raptor R went through, because I know I did, and the guys over at the shop absolutely smashed it out of the park. But as always, guys, don't forget to leave a like on the video, comment down below what you guys think about this Raptor R build, and as always, hit that subscribe button, join the KHC family, and we'll see you guys in the next one.